So, you want to know how to get back a TikTok account after a false age ban. So, getting a TikTok account after a false age or underage ban involves a formal appeal process where you must prove you are 13 years old or older or 16 plus for certain features like DMs as early 2026. TikTok often uses AI for this, which can cause false positives, but this is usually recoverable with proper documentation. So what I'm going to do first, simply go ahead and open your app. And as soon as you open your app, you're going to have a notification or you will see a banner notification about the ban. Tap on appeal and follow the on-screen instructions. If there's not, you can also use the report a problem feature by simply heading into your profile, clicking on your triple lines icon, clicking to settings and privacy, and then scrolling all the way down to help center and clicking on report a problem and scrolling all the way down to need more help. And this is where you can simply go ahead and talk with the support and go ahead and provide your IDs and so on. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.